Welcome back to Craftstick Crafts. These are our ongoing Goodwill videos for our customers to inspire them to create with wood. It's a construction crane here that we've made, which actually operates with remote control winch and remote control brains and cars, and anyhow there's an elevator that goes up and down, but you can see that on one of our other videos. I wanted to take a closer look at what the future might hold for craft stick bending and makers and DIY people. But let me bring you right up to speed. We're doing craft stick bending. We can bend, mold, shape craft sticks into hundreds of shapes. This is what I call a Sharpie pen bend because they're bent around a Sharpie pen. We can do right angles. Here's a little pipe, little tube bent around a nail, which this is veneer wood. This is a little treasure chest. More popsicle sticks bent in different shapes. More right angles. Some tubing. This is a little more technical, which wouldn't be on our basic video, but more advanced. We're laminating some jean material between two pieces of veneer, making that wood very thin and very strong, and then makers can make stuff from that. But the overall goal of this video is to show you kind of my vision of what potentially would happen in the future. So if I give you the ability to bend, mold, shape, and hackers and creators can build stuff from scratch, but what I'd like to do is, if I show you my techniques, I'd like to be able to bring this out to the world so people can hack and create and program and wire and battery things up and make them move, robotics. So potentially using craft stick bending as a building medium for robotic type structures. So I'm going to get back to a little bit of woodworking again. Here's some tubes we've made out of basswood. Some different shapes. Maybe this is housing for the brain of a robot type electronic robot arm. We can show you how to bend paint sticks and right angles. These are all paint sticks, and even though they're a little bit broken here, they still have really good strength to them. And that means when you're a hacker, maker, DIY guy, you can, if you can put the electronics together, and I can show you how to do the wood part, then together you can make things, that you possibly haven't been able to make to this point. So once again, this is a family friendly, no steam, no boiling, no chemical technique. So some compound bends we've made out of paint stir sticks. So if there is a break, you can also attach some popsicle sticks to the break to make it strong. Some more tubing. But my hope is that the hacker, maker, DIY world will see the value of making things with craft wood and servos, make robotic arms, make things that move and go bump in the night. Some of our other videos have shown things that we've made. Let me get this out of the way. Oops, tilt. Here is a little hovercraft. We've got a battery popsicle sticks, tongue depressor, and the battery. This part here is coffee stir sticks that hold the battery. These are some of our Pinewood Derby Extreme cars made from just craft sticks. This guy here is a monster truck. Excuse me. This is a monster truck derby car with a lumber rack. And so you can see as a very small example, with craft stick bending and craft stick crafts, you can now learn to house the batteries, get them stable in there, and hold motors to make things go, bump in the night. This here is a vacuum pump. So we have a pretty good seal there that creates air pressure going down, pushes through holes in the bottom of the bottle, and then comes out the top. So I personally am not the hacker Arduino maker kind of guy to put the electronics together. I'm more of an old-fashioned wood guy, and that's kind of where my experience is. But I'm hoping that the hacker world will take this on, see the possibilities of what we're doing here, and my hope is that I can give you the ability to, I can give you the ability to make things from craft wood and then attach them to motors and servos. You might become more successful in your endeavors to be creative. So here's one little last but not least. Tube inside of a tube inside of a tube. So I'm Brad Griffith. Please subscribe and like our videos if you do, and keep an eye on us. We're hoping to bring this all out to the world soon. Thanks. Bye. Oh yeah, here's some alphabets, letters. Kickstarter.com.